You're all my favorites. Once upon a time, there was a mother bear, a father bear, and 3 baby bears. A first baby bear, a second baby bear, and a third baby bear. Whoever tucked them in at night always said the same thing to them. You are the most wonderful baby bears in the whole wide world. One night, after their mummy bear had tucked them in, and after she had said, "You are the most wonderful baby bears in the whole wide world," the baby bears began to wonder. "But how do you know?" they asked their mummy bear. "How do you know we are the most wonderful baby bears in the whole wide world?" "Because your daddy told me," said their mummy bear. "When your daddy saw you on the night that you were born, he said," and I remember it very well, he said, "Those are the nicest baby bears I have ever seen. They are the nicest baby bears anyone has ever seen." That was a good answer. The 3 baby bears snuggled down as content as could be. But one day the first baby bear began to think. He wondered if the other 2 bears were better than he was. They had patches after all, and he did not. Maybe his mummy really liked patches. And the second baby bear began to wonder. Maybe Daddy loves the other 2 more than me, she thought. They were boy bears after all, and she was not. And the third baby bear began to worry. I'm only the littlest, he thought. Everybody's bigger than me. So that night, the 3 baby bears asked their daddy bear, "But which one of us do you like most? Who is your favorite? We can't all be the best." "Yes, you can," said their daddy bear. "I know you can because I heard your mummy say so. When she saw you," and Daddy Bear picked up the first baby bear to give him a cuddle, she said, "That is the most perfect first little bear that anyone has ever seen." "Even with no patches?" "Patches don't matter at all," replied his daddy as he tucked him in. "And when your mummy saw you," Daddy Bear picked up the second baby bear, she said, "that is the most perfect second little bear that anyone has ever seen. Even if I'm not a boy, girl or boy, it makes no difference," said her daddy, and he hugged her tight. "And when your mummy saw you," Daddy Bear lifted the last baby bear into his arms. She said, "That is the most perfect third little bear that anyone has ever seen. Even if I'm the littlest, bigly or littly, we love you just the same." So there, 3 favorites. You're all my favorites. And the best baby bears in the whole wide world went to sleep as happily as could be, because that was a good answer too.